Imagine a client fills out a form and your tracker updates itself. No copy pasting, no manual entry. I'm going to show you exactly how to build that. I am Maurice and today I'm walking you through a real automation. Google Sheets and 𝐒𝐞.com that auto updates a client tracker whenever new info comes in. Here is the workflow. A client fills out a form, 𝐒𝐞.com picks it up and adds a new row to this Google Sheets automatically. First, we've got our trigger, Google form. Every time someone submits this form, it kicks off the automation. Next, our action, Google Sheets. This is where the new row gets created. When you click on it, I just want to take you through on how we fill it. Each field from this form is mapped to the matching column. For example, if you look at service needed, according to the form that we had, each field is supposed to be mapped according to the name, email goes to email, and so on and so forth. And that's what makes this connection work. Anything that you do less than that, you may have errors and it may not work. So make sure that you map everything correctly. Let's test this for real. I'll submit this form, include your name, I've written mine, the email address is there, what service I need, like automation. I'm going to pick on the date, let's say 31st of this month. Additional notes, I can ask what do I bring or what can I bring along. And then I'll hit submit. Then I'll move very fast to check on 𝐒𝐞.com where I'll run this and you can see it went through. Then I'll move very fast to check my Google Doc, and I'm supposed to have these details here. And there it is. The new row just appeared automatically in your client tracker sheet. So you can see this information. Everything that you fill is clearly in. Now this runs automatically when you go to your 𝐒𝐞.com and instead of leaving it that way after creating it, every submission updates your tracker without you touching anything. So you'll click this one on so that it can come after every 15 minutes once people submit. That is just enough duration so that automatically this keeps working out. Once you do that, you save your system and it will be good to go and help you avoid a lot of unnecessary repetition and make your work very easy. So that's it. Google Forms triggers 𝐒𝐞.com, which updates your Google Sheets tracker automatically and everything becomes easy for you. So if you're managing multiple clients, this alone can save you hours every week. If you want more automations like this, please subscribe. I post daily tips on Google Workspace and 𝐒𝐞.com. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.